Hello, everyone. We are Team Kosher Tech here at Devry University, and we've been tasked with the duty of redesigning the website for the Illinois Board of Higher Education. What you have on screen is the original site to Illinois Board of Higher Education, and I want to transition now and welcome everyone to the new website for the Illinois Board of Higher Education. This site is an animated mock-up of the design that we put together. Before we started this project, the client communicated to us some ideas of what they wanted the site to look like. They also sent us a few links of other sites that they admired as references. So we took various elements from those sites and incorporated them into this site. So I want to begin with the large image that you see on the screen that has the graduation caps floating in the sky. This image is called a hero image. Actually, with the hero image, our intentions were to illustrate a transition between 3 to 5 different images. And what this would be like is, instead of seeing the graduation caps on the screen permanently, you would see this image for 1 to 3 seconds, and it would transition to the next image, and you will see that image from 1 to 3 seconds, and so on and so forth, from between 3 to 5 images. I want to bring your attention to the logo that's centered in the middle of the page. I also want to give you a glimpse of other logos that we came up with. We chose between three, and we still haven't made a definite choice per the client's decision. But back to the logo here, we were also considering moving this logo from this location to and positioning it over here in the upper left hand corner, and merging it with the upper navigation bar. We figured that it would be better situated in that area. I also want to bring your attention to the navigation bars. Now, a typical website has one navigation bar, but with the wealth of information from the original site, we decided to go with not one navigation bar, but two navigation bars, which we have here: the top nav and the bottom nav. Um, Each nav has a host of different links and sub menus to accommodate the wealth of information that we have. So, like we have with this particular link right here, colleges and universities, we have a sub menu, a drop down sub menu that leads to other sub menus to various links. We also have some video links embedded within the sub menus. Um, and we have various other links throughout the navigation bar, the top navigation bar, and also the bottom navigation bar. Now, the difference between the two is the bottom navigation bar, instead of having a drop down sub menu, we have pop up sub menus. So instead of the sub menus descending, they ascend. Okay, so moving along. Okay, so we are IBHE. Now, this particular section is like an extension to the About Us page, where we have additional information um, with within these links that you see. The rectangular orange orange boxes or orange images would be different links that would lead to information regarding the particular title that's underneath. For example, this title, we were to click this button right here, it will lead us to information regarding our network or who IBHE has networked with in the past, or who they may be networking with now, as well as this link. If we were to click this box, it would lead us to a page with information regarding education grants, and the same would go for these two links as well. Moving along. So we decided to give the viewer a visual break, similar to a television commercial. So we installed the Illinois seal, and as we move down, we come to the governor's lounge. Now we've been having a little trouble with the sizing of the images, but um, upon completion, we intend to have each image to be the same size. But what these images are links to uh, their prospective pages. So what we have here, we have Governor Ronner, we have Executive Director, we also have the Chair, Lindsay Anderson, excuse me. And upon clicking each or any of these images, it will lead to their prospective pages that will give you information regarding who they are and what they do. So we can move right along. Okay. So we have here a section called Media Center. And looking at the original site, we had a section on that site that says Media Center, and what that site had, what that particular page uh, had or consist of were various news release or press releases. We also had an IBHE bulletin. So we were hoping, well, we're looking for this page to be like a page that hosts various outside information of things that may be going on that's pertaining to higher education, new technology, um, what's coming about with the evolving section. We also have to the right two image links that we can incorporate within the site. What we have here are just placeholders. We can always change what you see, and they can also be updated. And right here we have social media icon buttons that you can click that will lead you to those prospective social sites. Moving right along with this section, we have some of the icons or the logos of various higher educational institutions. And what we intend to do is, with this particular word, educators, we intend to install a link, which upon click, it will lead to a page that has other higher institutions of learning um, for the user to access information regarding those institutions. What we have here, we haven't quite decided what we want to do with these picture links, but they will be links leading to other information on the site. We decided to use picture links to add uh, some more visual character to the website. Okay, moving along. In this particular section, we have a responsive video, um, and this can be loaded with any video that the client may prefer. We also have other videos located within the various links or submenus within the navigation bar. We have uh, one video there. We have another video here. Long. Okay, so we've come to the footer which is close to the end of the site. And what we have a section called contact information, where we have information where IBHE can be contacted. We have a section on the left hand side with a few comments. We also have on the right hand side social media icons, where the user can click and go to those various social sites that are relative to IBHE. Okay, sorry about that. Also, what we have here is the logo, and upon clicking the logo here, it will lead us back to the top of the page, which would be the home page. So upon click, the page will just uh, refresh and go back to the top. So at the bottom of the page here, which is the end of the site, we decided to add a map, a Google map that shows the location of IBHE in Springfield, Illinois. And we decided to add this map to add character to the site, so or add more character to the site. So that will conclude our tour of the new IBHE site, and we appreciate your time and thank you for viewing.